Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Andre, and yes, we have more boneless pork butt and belly. What does that mean? We are making sausage today, and we are going to make a beautiful Italian sausage from scratch. I was going to make sausage for you guys anyways today, but the weather's a little sketchy outside, so I figured let's do the Italian today because everything's going to be done inside, from the cutting to grinding and then the simmering off. I'm just taking that opportunity, but right now all we're going to do is take the boneless pork butts and the belly and cut them down to size so that they will fit in the grinder. And this is one, I'm going to just real fast. The pork butts are actually very lean, and that's why I like using belly with this. This combination for me really makes a great sausage because you need a certain amount of fat in the sausage, otherwise it's just not right. And that's the way I like doing it. I think you should try it too because it works. You end up with a great final product. Okay, got it all done. We have the pork butt, pork belly. It's weighed out. I will put the recipe below. Don't worry about that. So now I know the weights. I'm going to weigh out all the spices and then start grinding this stuff. Got that figured out. It's always nice to do it ahead of time. That way you have everything figured out and you're not doing it on the fly. It's just less chance of screwing up. And you keep it organized. So anyways, I'm going to start with, I'm going to weigh them all out individually and then show you. Got it all weighed out. It might look like a lot, but this is an Italian flavoring that I've been working on. I've been working on it a lot. I really like this one. So here we go. We're using just regular sea salt. I've got fennel. I've got anise seeds, black pepper, coriander. I've got some oregano, some basil. Oh yeah, the smoked garlic, link up there. Some thyme. And I've got some beautiful dehydrated parsley flakes, which are going to add that particulate look in there, which I like. And a little bit of binder. I've got potato starch and rice flour. But we're going to do something real quick. Parsley stays there because I want it like that. But everything else, there's so many different schools of thought on this. What I'm going to do is blitz everything down because I want that flavor really dispersed, really good through the whole sausage. That's why I'm going to break it all down. And we're just going to put it in the NutriBullet and grind it all down. How well you can see that. That is beautiful. So here we go. Oh, that smell is intense. This is just from my experience because once everything's broken down like this, this will permeate and flavor that meat much better than when you leave the spices whole. What you can do is add some whole fennel seeds while you're mixing if you really want them in there. I don't care as much, so that's why I ground them all down. And now let's get to grinding. Just a little bit before we grind. I like my Italian sausage on the coarser side, so what we're going to do is take this 6mm plate and grind everything. And I know most of my sausages, probably 85 to 90% of them, I do the fat smaller than the meat because I like that look. That's the way I was taught. But on an Italian sausage, it's coarser usually anyways, and you want bigger pieces of fat, you want bigger pieces of meat. So I'm going to do it all the same through that plate, and that's my thinking there. Okay, now we're just going to push these two together. Lock them together and then load this thing. The rice flour and potato starch. And now we're going to slowly add the water. Let me just take... Oh yeah, looking good. I like that. Smells fantastic. I have a great bind on that. Beautiful. So we're going to take it out and then get the stuffer set up now. Guard down. Nope, there we go. Just get the casings. Now find an end, put a little bit of water in because it helps actually put it onto the horn. Put the knot in, and away we go. Got that all done. Now the fun part. Like always, pinch, pinch, twist. That way you get two at the same time. Pinch, pinch. Whew. Just got everything cleaned up a bit. We're gonna just heat up some water, and once this is to temperature, we don't want a full boil, we want like a nice low simmer. I'm gonna have to do this in batches because I made quite a bit. Anyways, once this is hot enough, we're gonna get some in and start cooking them. Water's like almost there, so we're gonna get the first batch in. And I'm going to just start the timer and then make sure they're fully cooked, take them out, and then we're going to finish this video. Yeehaw! They look fantastic. I can't wait to dive in. They look great. I'm just gonna oh, they look great. I love that. That looks fantastic. Oh, that smell is awesome. I can't wait anymore. Let's just I love that. That's so good. I know there's so many different versions out there, but like I said before, this is what I've come up with. This is what I think pays tribute to that. I love the coarseness of it. Looks good. Tastes great. I think you'd like this one. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you had fun with this. Hope you learned something. Like always, if you have any questions, please leave them below. I will get to them. And have fun with making sausage. It's fun. You know what's in it. You can all do it. Have fun with it and then eat something good. Till the next time, happy eating.